Have you ever wondered about the common misconceptions or perhaps the unknown facts about eating pumpkin? Well, you're in for a treat. When you think of pumpkins, you might immediately conjure up images of jack-o'-lanterns gleaming in the crisp autumn night, or a deliciously warm pumpkin pie served at a Thanksgiving feast. However, pumpkins aren't just for carving or baking into pies. They're so much more than a symbolic staple of fall or a popular flavor for seasonal lattes. Pumpkins are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with vitamins and minerals that can significantly benefit your health. They're a versatile food source that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, from savory soups to healthy smoothies. It's time we debunk the myth that pumpkins are merely decorative items or seasonal treats. They're a treasure trove of nutritional benefits waiting to be explored. So let's move beyond the pumpkin spice lattes and pies and discover what happens to your body when you eat pumpkin regularly. Pumpkins pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Let's uncover some of these. Firstly, pumpkins are a powerhouse of nutrition, boasting a high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Imagine a cocktail of health, blending vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like potassium and iron, topped off with a healthy serving of fiber. Moreover, pumpkins are low in calories, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. The high fiber content keeps you feeling full, reducing the temptation for unhealthy snacking. But it doesn't stop there. Pumpkins are also champions of immunity, thanks to their high vitamin C content. Incorporating pumpkins into your meals could give your immune system a much-needed boost, especially in those chilly autumn months. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's more to pumpkins than meets the eye. Now let's dig deeper into the pumpkin's benefits. You'll be surprised at how this humble vegetable can enhance your health. Starting with your skin, the high vitamin A content in pumpkins acts like a natural sunblock, protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. It also encourages healthy skin cell production, making your skin look more youthful and radiant. But the benefits don't stop at the skin. Pumpkins are also a boon for your eyes. The orange color of pumpkins comes from the antioxidant beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is vital for eye health and can help prevent certain types of eye disorders. And don't forget about those tiny pumpkin seeds. They're a powerhouse of magnesium, an essential mineral that promotes heart health. Plus, the magnesium in pumpkin seeds can also help improve the quality of your sleep. Isn't it amazing how much goodness is packed into a single pumpkin? So, what happens to your body when you eat pumpkin regularly? The answer is simple. You get healthier. Let's recap what we've learned. Pumpkins, far from being just Halloween decorations or pie fillings, are actually superfoods packed with nutrients. They're rich in vitamins A and C, which boost your immune system. They're also a fantastic source of fiber, improving digestion and helping you feel full, which can assist in weight management. Moreover, pumpkins are full of antioxidants, which can protect your cells from damage by free radicals, potentially reducing your risk of chronic diseases. And let's not forget about the benefits of pumpkin seeds, which are high in antioxidants and a great source of magnesium, beneficial for heart and bone health. So every slice of pumpkin you eat is a step towards a healthier you. Next time you see a pumpkin, remember, it's not just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse of nutrition waiting to boost your health.